What's up everyone? My name is Justin and we got an update for you on the Volkswagen. So we made some big progress. That rocker panel is completely welded in, but first we're going to jump to the footage from this week of working on it, and then we'll come right back and show you the finished product. This has been a long time coming getting this part done, and we finally have the first thing that came off this car done, because it's kind of the first thing that's got to come off and the last thing to go on. But the rocker panel is done. Does still need the door pillar here, needs the door gaps all fit, but it's on. It's on, it's welded, it's finished. It just needs ground down at this point for some finishing. We do have this piece here. It's just sitting in there with magnets right now, but you can see how well it fits. So that will go in there eventually, but you can see all our spot welds all the way across. This is for setting the door pillar, but we have all our welds in there. Put the welds all up there. Got this all done. Back is all done in here. The whole bottom's done, and the front's done. I know one of the big things with restorations is number of welds. Some people have made comments on that, and before this rocker panel came out, every single weld was counted, and this rocker panel has the exact same number of spot welds, down to the exact number. There is the same amount of spot welds across the top, same on each side, and the same across the bottom. It is 100% accurate. You can look at these, they look just like factory spot welds. So once we get this piece in and we get the door panels, all that set, there's no reason to believe that this is not an original rocker panel, which it is an original. It is an NOS rocker panel. So although it's new, it is original. It is done in the original way and it looks factory. So I'm really happy that's in. That's been a long time coming. That was if you watch back in our old videos, we did the floor pan first, but this was the first part to come off the car. Before we even started on anything, we cut this rocker panel out, and then we've gone to everything else. So, but that front's all done, and yeah, I'm really happy to see this done. So next we got to get the doors, stuff, all that on. Overall timeline for the car, we got to get the doors in, finish this side up, get that welded. We're going to take that rocker out. Once that rocker's out, we have to fix that, put that rocker back in, and then we got to do the nose cone and the front fender. You can see this nose is pretty beat up, so we have a new nose and a new fender. We got to fix a little bit up in here. And this floor is a little rusted in places, so we got a whole new floor and a couple of these here. So this whole front's gonna get done, but that's where we're at on this one. Big progress. I'm happy. It's been a long time coming. I'm happy to see that rocker panel in, welded, finished, and looking right. So I'm happy. Yeah, it's been a long time for me, and I really just wanted to get that done, so we're happy with it. Other than that, guys, stay tuned for more. Just gonna keep trying to do weekly videos. If it's not weekly, it'll be every other week, but those are gonna be rare. So at least once a week. Every Thursday, Friday is when we film and upload. So I'll see you guys later, and stay tuned for the next one.